Hi guys, my name is Kavin Kumar from Erode Secondar Engineering College. Today my topic is eye pattern. What is eye pattern? An eye pattern is a graphical tool used in digital communication system to evaluate the quality of signal transmitting over a channel. It can be generated by overlaying multiple bits in digital signal waveform. The overlapped waveform form a shape that resembles a human eye, hence the name. A wide open indicates a clean signal, while a closed eye means distraction or noise. Purpose of eye pattern assembles signal integrity, detect timing jitter, measure noise margin, evaluate intersignal interference. Eye diagram component. Eye opening. The virtual opening represents the noise margin. A wide eye is better. Next, eye bandwidth. Eye width. Horizontal eye opening shows timing margin. Cross pointing. Ideally across at 50% of voltage level, deviation indicate distraction. Rise or falls time eye closure. Sleep transmission means better signal integrity caused by noise, jitter or ISI. How it is generated? Use a sampling oscilloscope to overlay several bit periods of the signal. The result shows all possible transmission over the same time. Next topic is eye pattern in digital modulation. Very modulator performance. Check check bit synchronization. Identify problems like amplitude distraction, phase jitter, or ISI. Next topic is ideal versus distracted eye diagram. Eye pattern open eye, closed eye. Uh, Clean signal, less noise, or ISI. Easy to sample accurately. Closed eyes are high noise, ISI, timing error leads to bit error. Uh, Eye pattern is used in receiver design, channel testing, oscilloscope based testing, BER, bit error rate optimization. Uses of eye pattern. The eye pattern is used to study the effect of ISI. ISI means inter-symbol interference in baseband digital transmission. This chart draw the diagram. A distracted binary wave. 1 means go upper wave. 0 means go down wave. Next to 1 1 go upper wave. uh, 0 down wave, 1 upper wave. Sampling instance. Next B. Oscilloscope connections. Y is a received digital signal. X is a saved to wave at rate 1 divided by TB. This is connected to eye pattern. This means CRO. Next one is C. Eye pattern seen on the CRO screen. The eye opening. This diagram, eye can be opening. Next timing will be extended. This diagram, the center line is called as noise margin. Next watch the Interpretation of eye pattern. The center line is called distraction at sampling time. The center part is a margin over noise. This side part of the part is distraction zero crossings. This slope is called sensitive to timing error. The top of the diagram is best sampling time. The lower of the diagram is time interval over which the wave can be sampled in TB. The upper line is distraction at a sampling time. These diagrams in a eye pattern was executed in medical field. Next one is information obtained from eye pattern. The width of the eye opening defines the timing interval over which the received noise can be sampled without an error due to ISI. The best time for sampling is when the eye is opening with. Next point is the sensitivity of the system to the timing error is determined by the rate of closure of the eye or the sampling rate is varied. Next point is the height of eye opening at specified sampling time defines the margin over noise. Next point is when the effect of ISI is served, the eye is completely closed and if it is possible it avoid the noise. This A diagram is a basis of eye diagram. This eye diagram summarizes the effect of ISI by showing the response of OS or ones and zeros. The eye diagram can be generated by overlaying plots of the received signal in the sampling time. Next is the advantage of eye pattern. The eye pattern is used in real-time system monitoring, comprehensive signal integrity assessment, diagnostic tools for troubleshooting, visual measurements of margins, data handling and performance evaluation, components compile and mask testing, versatility in wired and optical system. This is the advantage. Next is talk about the disadvantage of eye pattern. The disadvantage of the eye pattern is insufficient data for low error rates. This can be error for uh, low in the eye pattern. Next, limited statistical insights. Next, complexity of interpretation, measurement versatility, difficulty with in infrequent events, loss of jitter information. These eye patterns can be lost the more jitters. Okay, thank you.